In Luna's whimsical garden, she lies still, her gaze lost in the infinite expanse of the night sky. A radiant star plummets from the heavens, streaking across the darkness before vanishing behind a cluster of bushes. Luna gasps, her eyes wide with surprise, and she scrambles to her feet, her curiosity ignited. Luna kneels in her garden, where the moonflowers glow softly. A fallen star, a tiny beacon of light, rests among the moonflowers. I was chasing a comet and got lost. Compassion fills Luna's eyes as she gently picks up the warm, wiggly star. Luna ascends the tallest hill under the cloak of night, her flashlight a guiding star in the darkness. At the summit, a breathtaking panorama unfolds as Luna waves her flashlight, signaling to the heavens. Twinkling stars descend, drawn by a sparkly rope, as the lost star bids farewell to Luna. Thank you, Luna. You're my Earth angel.